Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video we'll explore how simple raw wood can be transformed into a stylish modern bed. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the woodworking journey. Creating a beautiful piece of furniture from raw wood is one of the most satisfying processes in woodworking. In this video, we take you through the complete journey of transforming simple raw timber into a stunning modern bed design. Inspired by creative ideas found on Pinterest, this project shows how craftsmanship, patience, and creativity can turn natural materials into functional art for the home. The process begins with carefully selecting strong, high-quality wood. Each piece of timber is inspected for its grain, durability, and natural character. The raw wood is then measured and cut into precise sections that will form the bed frame, headboard, and supporting structure. At this stage, accuracy is essential because every cut determines the strength and alignment of the final furniture piece. After cutting, the wood surfaces are smoothed using sanding tools to remove rough textures and bring out the natural beauty of the grain. This step not only improves the appearance, but also prepares the wood for assembly and finishing. As the pieces begin to take shape, you can start to see the transformation from simple wood boards into the structure of a modern bed. Next comes the assembly stage. The frame is carefully constructed, connecting the side rails, footboard, and headboard with strong joints. Precision and balance are important to ensure the bed remains sturdy and long-lasting. With each piece fitted together, the design gradually reveals its modern, minimalist style. Once the structure is complete, the finishing process begins. The wood is polished and coated with protective finishes that enhance the color and highlight the natural grain patterns. This step transforms the furniture from a raw construction project into a refined centerpiece suitable for a modern bedroom. The final result is a sleek, stylish modern bed that combines natural wood beauty with contemporary design. Projects like this not only demonstrate woodworking skill, but also inspire creativity for anyone interested in furniture design and DIY craftsmanship. Whether you are a woodworking enthusiast, a furniture designer, or simply someone who enjoys watching satisfying building processes, this transformation from raw wood to a modern bed is both inspiring and relaxing to watch. Videos like this continue to grow in popularity on platforms such as YouTube because they showcase the magic of turning simple materials into beautiful, functional furniture. Transforming raw wood into a beautiful modern bed is more than just a woodworking project. It is a journey of creativity, patience, and craftsmanship. In this video, we explore the fascinating process of turning simple wooden boards into a stylish and functional piece of bedroom furniture. Inspired by modern design trends often shared on Pinterest, this build demonstrates how natural materials can be shaped into a clean, elegant, and contemporary bed frame that becomes the centerpiece of any bedroom. The journey begins with selecting the right type of wood. The quality of the raw timber plays a crucial role in the final outcome. Woodworkers carefully inspect the grain patterns, strength, and natural texture of each plank before cutting. Every piece of wood carries its own unique character, and choosing the right sections ensures that the finished bed will not only be strong, but also visually appealing. Natural wood grains bring warmth and personality that manufactured materials often cannot replicate. Once the wood is selected, the preparation process begins. Each plank is measured carefully and marked to ensure precision during cutting. Accuracy is essential at this stage because even a small mistake can affect the alignment of the entire structure. The wood is then cut into specific parts that will form the side rails, support beams, headboard, and footboard of the bed frame. Watching these raw pieces gradually transform into recognizable furniture components is one of the most satisfying parts of the woodworking process. After cutting, the focus shifts to shaping and smoothing the wood. Rough surfaces are carefully sanded to remove imperfections and create a smooth texture. This stage highlights the natural beauty hidden beneath the rough exterior of raw lumber. As sanding progresses, the wood grain becomes more visible, revealing intricate patterns that add character and uniqueness to the final design. The next phase is the assembly of the bed frame. The individual components are brought together to form the structural foundation of the bed. Strong joints, screws, and precise alignment ensure stability and durability. Every connection must be secure because a bed frame needs to support significant weight while maintaining balance and comfort. Piece by piece, the structure begins to resemble the sleek outline of a modern bed. The headboard is often the most visually striking element of the design. In modern furniture styles, headboards can feature clean lines, geometric patterns, or natural wood panels that highlight the beauty of the material. This project embraces a minimalist aesthetic, allowing the natural wood grain and craftsmanship to stand out without excessive decoration. Once the frame is fully assembled, the finishing process begins. This step transforms the furniture from a raw wooden structure into a polished piece of modern home decor. Wood finishes such as oils, stains, or protective coatings are applied to enhance the color and preserve the surface. These finishes not only improve the appearance but also protect the wood from moisture, scratches, and everyday wear. As the finishing layer dries, the transformation becomes complete. What began as simple, rough wooden boards now stands as a refined modern bed frame. The smooth surfaces, balanced proportions, and natural textures combine to create furniture that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Projects like this showcase the timeless beauty of woodworking. They remind us that furniture does not always need to come from factories. It can be crafted with care, skill, and imagination. Building furniture from raw wood connects the maker with the material in a way that mass production cannot replicate. This type of woodworking transformation has become especially popular among viewers on YouTube, where audiences enjoy watching the step-by-step creation of furniture pieces. The process is both educational and relaxing, offering inspiration to DIY enthusiasts, designers, and anyone who appreciates the art of craftsmanship. Beyond the technical process, projects like this also celebrate sustainability and creativity. Working with natural wood encourages responsible use of materials and appreciation for the environment. Each finished piece carries a story, from the raw timber to the carefully crafted furniture that becomes part of someone's home. The final result is a modern wooden bed that blends simplicity, elegance, and durability. Its clean lines and natural finish make it suitable for many interior styles, from minimalist bedrooms to warm, rustic spaces. More importantly, it represents the rewarding experience of creating something meaningful with your own hands. Watching the transformation from raw wood to finished furniture is both inspiring and satisfying. It shows that, with the right tools, patience, and creativity, ordinary materials can become extraordinary pieces of design.